Just now I took a shower. Uh, what do you call it? So look, police is not giving reports. Until today, parent controller is taking advantage of defaming me. And what police is doing, saving those, what do you call it, the women who were in the LAN server and the parent controller did a tech hypnotic. In Hindi, it sounds very disgusting. What do you call it? The ling vashikaran. But tech hypnotic, which the parent controller was doing to those women, so police is saving those women, and parent controller is taking advantage of it till today. So when I was asking for reports, I started visited in the beginning. I had no clue what was happening behind my back. So I knew the prostitution racket were uh, prostitutes who work for Andore. I know them around my house. So they were doing the message planting and they were torturing me. So when I went into their prostitution racket, so it got exposed that the message planting which were done from the phones, the nudes which were made from the hidden camera, is not me but the prostitutes itself, and those are with the clone phone, and they made nudes into their prostitution racket, and those prostitutes are caught in front of the surveillance. So I got released. Police said that you did. Till today, police says no one gets out of such a mess, which the Handore has set after me. No one gets out of such a mess. And they still today say that I should have been a cop. No one could have got out of this shit. 50,000 of them. So, and some are saying that I am their friend. Some are saying I am there, and I don't even know. I'm seeing them. I'm watching them for the first time. Few of them. So, many of them actually, not few of them. Many of them. And parent controller, which is connected to all of them, was doing this shit. Doing this one. And look, till today the parent controller is taking advantage of defaming me because the police is not giving reports. And till today the parent controller is taking advantage of my hard work. The police is not giving reports. So that's the case. And me, if I did something, why would I go to police station? Why would I go to court? And why would I ask for police forensic report? That's the case.